Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Raza and I am Subject Specialist English at Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal.
Today we are going to discuss a part of speech that is conjunctions. Learning objectives of the lesson are: students will be able to define the term conjunction, learn the use of conjunctions, identify different types of conjunctions, use different types of conjunctions in sentences, Now students, first of all, you have to read the given sentences and observe how these sentences are joined with each other. He just brought a puppy and a kitten home with him. These two parts of sentence are joined by a word and. I want to go for a hike, but I have to go to work today. The two sentences, I want to go for a hike and I have to go to work today, both are joined by the word but. I am getting good grades because I study every day. Students, you can see the two clauses are joined by a word because. We can see in these three examples that part of a sentence or clauses are joined by some conjunctions. So what are the conjunctions? Basically, conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sometimes even sentences. They are also called linkers or joiners. For example, for, and, but, or, yet, so, either or, both and, after, until, when, even though, many more. Different kinds of conjunctions join different kinds of grammatical structure. Students, we have three kinds of conjunctions that use different kinds of grammatical structures. The first one is the coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and the subordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Basically, coordinating conjunctions join equals to one another. Like words join words, phrases join phrases, and same like that, clauses join clauses. Examples: most children like cookies and milk. Here you can see the words cookies and milk are joined through a conjunction that is and. The gold is hidden at the beach or by the lakeside. The phrases at the beach and by the lakeside are connected by a conjunction or. What you say and what you do are two different things. Here you can see two clauses are joined. The first one is what you say and the other one what you do. Both are joined by the word and, that is also a conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions go in between items joined, not at the beginning or end. We can say in simple words, coordinating conjunctions are used between items, neither at the start of the sentence nor at the end of the sentence. Examples: I like coffee, but I don't like tea. So here the conjunction is used between two clauses. So that is the right way to use a coordinating conjunction. In the second example, we can see, but I don't like tea, I like coffee. The conjunction is used in the start of the sentence. That is the wrong way to use coordinating conjunction. So it is false. Next one is correlative conjunctions. These are the paired conjunctions. They are used in a pair, like either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also. These pairs of conjunctions are required equal structures after each one. In the example, we can see Sana not only wants money but also fame. Here you can see the pair of conjunctions is used to connect between a word and a clause. So this is not a parallel structure. So it is the wrong use of conjunction or the paired conjunction. Next example, we can see Sana wants not only money but also fame. It is the right use of paired conjunction because this pair of conjunction is connecting two words that are money and fame. In the next example, we can see two clauses are joined by the paired conjunctions that are wants money and wants fame. It is the right way to use paired conjunctions because the both clauses have parallel structures. Examples: I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. Either and or are the paired conjunctions or the correlative conjunctions that are used to join two phrases. Salman enjoyed both the movie and the company. Correlative conjunctions are here used to join two phrases. I'm not only going to the concert, but also meeting the band backstage. Here, correlative conjunctions are joining two parallel structures, going to the concert and meeting the band backstage. They both are clauses, so having equal structures. Jamil is neither rich nor famous. Neither and nor are used to join two words, rich and famous. So they both have equal structures. Next one is subordinating conjunctions. These words are commonly used as subordinating conjunctions. For example, after, although, as far as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, and many more. Subordinating conjunctions also join two clauses together, but in doing so, they make one clause dependent, or the subordinate clause, upon the other, means the main clause. So in this type of conjunctions, we can observe the main clause and the other one subordinate clause. Examples. We can see the two sentences, it is raining. The other one is, we have an umbrella. These both are independent clauses. But if we add because to the first sentence, it is raining, so it will be no longer an independent clause. It will become a dependent or a subordinate clause. Putting the two clauses together, we will get the use of subordinating conjunction. Because it is raining, we have an umbrella. In the first part of the sentence, you can see a subordinate clause, and the other part is an independent clause, or the main clause. We can write these both sentences in another way. We have an umbrella because it is raining. The first part of the sentence, we have an umbrella, is an independent clause, but the remaining part, because it is raining, is a subordinate clause. A subordinating conjunction may appear at a sentence beginning or between two clauses in the sentence. We can use the subordinated conjunction in the start of the sentence or in the middle of the sentences, as you have seen in the previous example. Sarah begins to sneeze whenever she opens the window to get a breath of fresh air. The first part of the sentence having an independent clause, that is, Sarah begins to sneeze, and the remaining part, whenever she opens the window to get a breath of fresh air, is a dependent or subordinate clause, so it needs the other part, the main clause, that is used in the stead. When the doorbell rang, my dog barked loudly. The first part, when the doorbell rang, is a dependent or subordinate clause, and the other part, my dog barked loudly, is an independent clause. The other part of the sentence, my dog barked loudly, is an independent clause because it doesn't need any clause. I did not have so many friends until I was admitted to college. The first part, I didn't have so many friends, is an independent clause, and the other, until I was admitted to college, is a dependent or subordinate clause because it needs another sentence or another clause. He did not come to school because he was ill. The first part, he did not come to school, is an independent clause, and because he was ill is a subordinate clause. It needs another clause or another action. Students, I hope you have understood today's lecture about conjunctions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.